It's common in an interview to have functions that have to work with strings. Let's code some pizza. JavaScript is a language. Don't be scared of JavaScript. JavaScript is very flexible. JavaScript is your friend. It's not magic. Don't be scared of JavaScript. A bit complicated. Quite a bit complicated.
Next time we'll start making it a bit prettier.
And a quite interesting one is how to transform something from hyphenated or snake case to camel case, which means that I have a string like this. My string this is hyphenated. Normally this is for variables, so I wouldn't have an uppercase at the beginning. Const my string 2. This is snake case. And I want to transform in const result should be this is, well, snake case or hyphenated. This happens way more often than you think. Like at work, we had something like this. How do we do this? Well, with string, I can always search and replace. And it would be easy to say that I want to search for anything that is an hyphen and I want to remove it. So I can take my string, let me show you, console.long, my string.replace of any hyphen with nothing. Yes, it works with two limitations. First, it only works on the first one, and second, it doesn't actually change the one after. Well, for the first one, it's easy, meaning that you can use regular expression and say that you want global. Regular expression are the other way around. And you want global and case is sensitive. In this case, for case is sensitive, it doesn't matter, it's an hyphen. And yes, it removes all of them. But I still have the issue that is not actually transforming as I want. The interesting thing is, even if normally we use replace like this, replace actually takes a function and the return of this function will be what I want to insert there. So if in here, instead of nothing, I return, for example, at, I'm replacing every hyphen with an at. The problem I have is I also need to capture the letter after the hyphen. But because it's a regular expression, then I can say that I want a capturing group with a dot, which means any character. At this point in here, as the second parameter, I get my character. So I can do return my character to uppercase. And now I have this hyphenated. This doesn't work to snake case because snake case is a different symbol. Again, with regular expression, I can say that I want one or the other as a group. I don't need a comma. As a group. Now it works with snake case and it works with camel case. I found this in a list of common interview questions, but I never encounter an interview where they ask you something like this. And the main reason I think is because it's really, really rare that you need to replace with a function that takes a capturing group, and regular expression are quite hard in general. If it will happen, now you know you can do it, and now you know how to do it. If you have doubts about regular expression itself, I will make a lesson sooner or later. Maybe it's already in my channel. If it is, you will find it in the description. But if I haven't done it already, well, I'm really sorry. Regular expressions are a bit complicated, like quite a bit. And now, let's code some pizza.